They're attacking their leader.
All of them.
Who will win, the humans or the aliens?
Yeah, the one human.
Oh, damn, they are fighting one another.
I'm getting double teamed. Watch out, we're gonna have some real cops joining in now. Ow! We're gonna have a real cop. We're gonna have some real cops probably coming, but I don't know.
Look.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Where? Okay, my car's still there.
We can't vote for ourselves, okay, people?
Oh, we can't vote for ourselves?
Yes, you can. I vote right here. That's mine. That's the best one in the whole game right here. You all suck. No, actually, it's right here. It's right there above us. That's the best car in the game.
One right here.
Yep, definitely.
Yep, make it rain.
Wait, who's voting anarchy?
No, I'm just kidding. I don't know.
Oh.
No, obviously this car right here, this SUV right here obviously will win. This one right here.
Which car?
This one. The one I'm
The one
standing on.
you're standing on?
Yeah, this one will obviously win.
No, 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 no.
Which
No one likes mine.
Which one's yours? Oh, no, you gotta get that Firebird.
Yeah, I'm a toss between those two.
Oh, come on, what about the Firebird mix?
I have
The
0.
fire blue is ugly.
Screw you.
What about mine?
So the El Camino is in first place?
Okay.
If I...
Yep.
Yep.
The truck?
It can't win if it's not here.
Whoa, what?
Dempsey!
That's
Yeah,
my
obviously
car.
It can't win if it's not in there.
That's my car. Yeah!
It's unfair, it's not here.
I'm gonna drive my car back up there.
It's unfair, this car wasn't in here.
They gamify his truck, Jay.
Who's in second
First car.
place?
Fucked up now.
No, screw you, get out. No. Get out.
Okay.
No, get out of the
I'm
car.
back. Wait, so where do I go?
I can't keep you out of my car.
Just stand in the middle of this place. I'm actually surprised I won.
No, you jerk.
I think Dempsey's car is the winner. We
Yeah,
picked up Dempsey's car. Pick his car
Let
out.
me see. I want to see the car.
His license plate says first game.
Oh my god.
I gotta see it. I gotta see it.
I want to see that. Hold on. You sure really says force.
I don't know. I think we got a different winner. Hold on one second.
No!
I'll laugh. Oh.
Someone?
Because it says force game.
Did someone fix mine?
Alright. So who won?
Jay, right here. Drop a meal.
Wait, so basically you can get a Rockstar Band for having a popcorn in your garage.
Yeah. Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna have to finish my plan. I was gonna get like that smelly SUV or maybe the undercover or that FIB car.
This one here?
What? No, the one over here, the black one.
Fuck the black one. What's the
Screw
red
you.
one?
No,
No.
not the other one.
The red one. Don't touch my car. Man.
Ah,
What
why?
the fuck? Did you just get hit by the door?
Yeah, the door knocked me over. How's that work? The door
I
knocked
don't know
me
if
over.
that was funny. Oh, shit.
Shut. I like it. Why won't it? Not for the first time, but now it won't. Okay, knock me over.
Alright, I'm back.
Hey, if y'all
It's
don't
all
mind,
horrible.
if somebody opened my trunk, I want to see what my engine looks like. I can't do it, I don't know why.
Wait, does anybody else see the random pulling lights behind the cop car over here?
The random what?
Concrete cement. Concrete cement. Concrete, come here. Hold on.
Whoa.
Come
I
here.
was trying to have sex with an alien.
Can you teleport me over there by any chance? Let me get out of my apartment.
What, Dempsey? Where you at, buddy?
Behind the car. You see the random pulling lights?
I don't want to.
right there.
I don't want to see nothing behind your car. No.
No, do you see